35 days. It's the 29th of March, 2021. Where do I say this? So yeah, just reading a bunch, trying to get through everything. But yeah, I had a migraine good part of the day, and then I had to drive a bunch today, and it was just crazy windy. So trying to get everything set up for next couple days, maybe like Friday or something. For that next test, so I'm trying to aim for Friday. I don't even know what day that would be. The second, maybe. So I'm trying to hit that marker. Trying to get all this video uploaded. At least set up for this upload to happen. Doesn't look like it's gonna be happening anytime soon. It's slowly working, but it's USB 2.0 isn't exactly the pinnacle of speed, if you will. So, but they're crazy winds, and they're from the south going north. And so when I was driving north, I was getting 25, 30 miles of the gallon, but then driving back, it was like 17. And really hard to control, and it was just really a hard drive today. It looks like I'm sitting really low, but this is where my normal thing is. Oh, that shadow's just the weird mic boom that we don't use right now. But that's all I have. As soon as all these files get copied over, I will happily put them over. So you guys have a good rest of your day.